There is much in AI, and AI helps us in more ease and more comfortable manner. Like without AI, our life is impossible. It is helping us in every field, in mathematics, in engineering, in natural science, in computer vision, in statistics vision, in subject wise, in our product wise, in our search engine optimization, everywhere. This is all just because of AI. Google, Apple, Amazon, Cisco believes that AI is future. Hello everybody, this is Shivangi Tiwari and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the latest technology which you should be know about in the year 2020. So let's get started. Our first technology is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence was coined in the year 1955 to introduce the new discipline of computer science. It is rapidly and radically changing our life in daily basis as the market of AI is flourishing and most demanding. Microsoft, Google, Apple, Amazon, Cisco believes that AI is future. Have you ever wondered, whenever you go to the Google for searching something or whenever you go to the online shopping platform for buying something, you get the significant and irrelevant result of your question? How? Just because of AI. Brief history of AI. In 1642, first mechanical calculating machine built by the French mathematician and inventor Blaise Pascal. In 1837, first design for a programmable machine by Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace. In 1943, foundation of neural networks established by the Warren M.C. Clutch and Walter Pitts, drawing parallels between the brain and the computing machines. In 1950, Alan Turing introduces the Turing test as a way of testing a machine's intelligence. In 1955, artificial intelligence is coined during a conference devoted to the topic. This period was the dark age or the birth of AI. In 1965, ELIZA, a natural language program, is created. ELIZA handles a dialogue on any topic similar in concept to today's chatbots. In 1980s, Edward creates expert system which emulate decision of human expert. This period was the rise of AI. In 1997, the computer program Deep Blue beats the world chess champion Garry Kasparov. In 2002, iRobot launches Roomba, an autonomous vacuum cleaner that avoids obstacles. This period was the era of unfulfilled promises or the impact of reality. In 2009, Google builds the first self-driving car to handle urban conditions. In 2011, IBM Watson defeats champions of US game show Jeopardy! This period was the discovery of expert system. In 2011 to 2014, personal assistants like Siri, Google Now, Cortana use speech recognition to answer questions and perform simple tasks. In 2014, Anne Goodfellow comes up with the Generative Adversarial Network GAN. In 2016, AlphaGo beats professional Go player Lee Sedol 4-1. In 2018, most universities have the courses in artificial intelligence as this was the evolutionary computation learning we're doing. What is artificial intelligence and what do you mean by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or simply AI is the term used to describe a machine ability to stimulate human intelligence. Actions like reading, perception, reasoning, creativity that were once considered unique to humans is now being replicated by the technology and is used everywhere. A common example of AI is live chatbots. Live chatbots are helping us to handle a basic customer service request on a company's website. Now, demand for AI. Why everybody is crazy about AI? Why we are mad about AI? So let's start. More computation. More computation. Recently, many advances been made in deep learning modules are developed. It is one of the most greatest technology that made this possible. GPUs. GPUs are just developed because of AI. Since we have more computation power now, it is now possible for us to implement AI. Big data or more data. We have lots of data. We are generating data through social media, Instagram, Facebook. Everywhere we have a lot of data through IoT devices. Every possible way we have data. So we need to find a method or a software that can help us to process this much data. So we need to find a method or a solution that can help us to process this data in a much relevant and much significant manner. It helps us to derive useful insights so that we can grow our business in a better way. This is all done because of AI. Better algorithms. How? Because of the development of neural networks, there is better algorithms, and which is just because of AI. What is neuron network? Neuron network is just a concept behind deep learning. Now, investments, broad investments. Every tech startup, every technology-based company, every product-based company is investing in AI. They believe that the AI is future. Google, Facebook, Joy, everybody says that without AI, our life is impossible. AI is making our life more easy and more comfortable. Now, applications of AI. AI helps us in engineering, mathematics, natural sciences, computer sciences, statistics, for computer vision, natural language processing, information retrieval, information filtering, predictive analysis, decision analysis, robotics, facial recognition, chatbots, search engines, personalized shopping, credit scoring, utility demand management and response, robot-assist surgery, and much more. So there is much in AI, and AI helps us in more ease and more comfortable manner. Like without AI, our life is impossible. It is helping us in every field, in mathematics, in engineering, in natural science, in computer vision, in statistics vision, in subject wise, in our product wise, in our search engine optimization, everywhere. This is all just because of AI. You might be wondering how much AI helps us, how we are dependent on AI. But wait, this was just the introduction of the movie, just the starting of the movie. End of the movie is still remaining. So let's start with the end of the movie. AI is already being used for many services and products. Cybersecurity, anomaly detection, healthcare, diagnostic platforms, fintech, robo-investment advisors, intelligent car, basically autonomous cars, agri-food, smart farming, personalized marketing, chatbots, video games, customized player interaction, virtual assistant. Development of AI, Ashimo, a humanoid robot. Webot 1. Ashimo, advanced step in mobility, is a humanoid robot created by the Honda in 2000. It is currently displayed in a museum in Tokyo, Japan. The name was chosen in honor of Isaac Asimov. A Webot Robot 1 was the robot which was first created, first invented. Robots are the greatest achievement of AI. A humanoid robot which can mimic and talk like a human being, exactly like a clone. A robo hand which can do everything just like a human hand. A robo dog which is like a normal dog. This was the latest technology number 1. I hope you got the knowledge about AI. Hope you like my channel. Bye bye. Take care and please do subscribe my channel. All the best for your further studies. Keep doing, keep rocking. Bye bye.